So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted to the home screen, and you want to go ahead and click on the Me button in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've clicked on that, it will take you to your profile, and you want to go ahead and click on Edit Profile just at the top. It should display some options to edit your profile with. What we want to do now is go ahead and click on Add Instagram to your profile at the very bottom. If you want to go ahead and add your YouTube channel, you can also do that as well. So once you've clicked on the Add Instagram to your profile button, it will take you to the Instagram login page, and all you need to do now is go ahead and log into your correct Instagram account and just follow the login process. So once you follow the Instagram login process, you'll be then taken back to the edit profile page on your TikTok account. You'll notice that your Instagram page has now been linked with your TikTok page, and if you want to go ahead and unlink it at some point, all you need to do is go ahead and click on your Instagram name and go ahead and click on unlink. So if you go back to your TikTok profile, you'll notice that your Instagram page will now be directly linked to your TikTok profile. So if you go ahead and click on it, you'll be taken directly to your Instagram page. And that is all you need to do to link your Instagram profile to your TikTok profile. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.